The barnyard aroma can be difficult to describe, especially to someone who hasn't been to a farm. It reminds some people of a combination of dry hay and animal waste, the common aromas found in a horse barn. In low levels, it's not objectionable to smell these, but it can be less appealing the higher the level in the beer. Beer that's been inoculated with Brettanomyces, barrel fermented, or barrel aged beers may exhibit this characteristic. In small quantities, this can add complexity to the beer, but it can be overpowering if not controlled. If this appears in beer that has not been intentionally inoculated with Brettanomyces, it's usually a sign of contamination. For conventional beer production in which this aroma isn't desired, appropriate cleaning is needed to lessen the chance of contamination by Brettanomyces wild yeast. Breweries that intentionally use Brett in their brewing practice must maintain high standards of hygiene to avoid contamination of their beers. When using Brett in the brewing process, the level of barnyard character can be controlled by strain selection, pitching rate, temperature, and timing of the Brett addition.